I'm just a 33-year-old carnivore having lunch in some beautiful gardens out in the sun. I've been eating this meaty lifestyle for 2 years, going on to 3 years, and it is the best thing I have ever done to my body. I have absolutely no health complications right now. This way of eating has cured things that my doctors would tell me. Unfortunately, there were things that I would have needed surgery for, or things that I just had to live with for the rest of my life. And with the help of medication, this was completely incorrect. Scalp psoriasis that I had, I was on medication for that for over 10 years. This way of eating cured that in less than a month. The restless leg syndrome that I would encounter almost every single night completely went away within the first month of eating this way. The painful cervical cysts that I was meant to have surgery for completely went away just because I started eating more red fatty meat. I no longer get painful periods, I have clear skin, mental clarity, and I no longer have to suffer with chilblains. My doctors would tell me that this was hereditary and I just needed to keep my feet warm. Well, I don't keep my feet warm, and they haven't appeared since adopting this carnivore lifestyle. For all of those asking in the comments what my blood type is, I am B positive. Do I think that makes a difference? No, I don't. All I do is try and eat as much meat as I possibly can, making sure to get enough of the fat, and I keep eating until it stops tasting good. Do I get bored of eating this way? Absolutely not. But for those who do and are looking for a little bit of variety on their carnivore journey, you can check out some of my recipe videos and hopefully they help. And for those wondering what kind of meat I'm eating, I'm eating my Stockman steaks, Scotch Fillet, aged for a couple of days in the fridge and then cooked up in a pan with beef tallow and then eaten with a side of butter.